Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to learn how to code line breaks, emphasis tags, bold tags, and then finally head and title tags. The line break tag is an empty tag. This means it has no closing tag and no content. They are also called self-closing tags. Let's source a line break code. We are placing a line break tag where we want the next set of text to appear on the next line. As you can see, the sentence breaks and continues on the next line. Now let's talk about the emphasis tag. The emphasis tag is represented by EM, and this tag makes text italic. Let's code an emphasis tag. The text at the top is coded in italic and the text below verses is not. Let's talk about the tag strong. Strong tags makes a word bigger and bolder. Let's code a word using the strong tag. Now let's talk about heads. The head HTML element is the container for information about a web page. The head goes before the body tag. To give a web page a title, we add the opening and closing title tags, then insert the web page's title between. The title comes before the body and goes between the opening and closing tag of the head. Pause the video to take a deep and understanding look at this example. This is extremely important. At the beginning of any HTML source code, you must add the doctype HTML tag. This tag tells the web browser what version of HTML we are using. Now let's combine everything we've learned so far into a running source code. This is the source code that shows this lesson and lesson 1's topics. Feel free to pause the video to take a look at the code. Now let's run the source code to see the results. Thanks for watching the video. Until next time, this has been Learning with Quinn.